Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Geolayers 3 in After Effects 2025 step by step. Let's get right into it. First, open your web browser and search for Geolayers 3. Click on the first website that shows up. Once the page loads, you'll see two options: add to cart if you want to buy it, or try if you just want the free version. Click on try and your download will begin automatically. When it's done, open File Explorer and locate the download zip file. Now here's the trick. Before extracting, right-click the ZXP file, select rename and change the extension from ZXP to zip. Once renamed, extract the zip file. After extracting, right-click on the new folder, hover over WinRAR and select extract to. Now that you have extracted folder, copy it. Navigate to your C drive, then go to Program Files, Common Files, Adobe CEP and Extensions. Paste the folder inside Extensions directory. Now open the After Effects. Go to the top menu, click the window, hover over Extensions, and boom, you should see Geolayers 3 in the list. So that's it. You have successfully installed Geolayers 3 in After Effects 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.